Everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off the BitLocker in Windows 11 without losing any data. Step by step, I will guide you. But wait, first let's understand this. BitLocker is a security feature in Windows 11 that protects your data by encrypting your drive. So when you turn off this, Windows is not detecting anything. It's simply decrypting your drive back to the normal. So let's back to the step number one. First click on the search bar, then type here control panel, then click on the control panel app. Then after this simply click on the system and security tab. Under the security tab, here is the BitLocker tab, BitLocker drive encryption. Simply click on this. Now here choose your drive. So I'm gonna choose this drive, my A drive. As you can see, here is the BitLocker is on. Simply click on this, and then after this simply click on the turn off BitLocker tab, and then click on the turn off BitLocker tab. And this process can take some times depending on your drive size. Now as you can see, the BitLocker is turned off. Now again I'm going to open my file expo. As you can see, here the lock sign is now gone. So with this simple step guys, you can easily turn off your BitLocker on your drive, and that's how you safely turn off the BitLocker in Windows 11 without losing any data. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more Windows tutorials.